In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and use specific features on Shopify, particularly focusing on logging in and adding new markets to your Shopify store. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or new to the platform, this step-by-step guide is designed to streamline the process for you, breaking down each part of the procedure into manageable, easy-to-follow sections. Let's start by getting you into your Shopify account. First things first, head over to Shopify's main page. Once you're there, you'll notice a login option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, Shopify will prompt you to enter your account details. If you're already familiar with this part, it might seem straightforward. However, remember, these small steps are pivotal to ensure secure and correct access to your account. After entering your credentials, proceed by clicking on the option to continue with email. This ensures that the login process is done securely through your email provider, adding an extra layer of security to your account. Next, a slightly different stage, you'll need to choose the account you wish to use for accessing Shopify. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the one associated with your Shopify store. This helps in preventing any confusion and ensures that you're working on the correct store. Once logged in, navigate directly to your store's home page on Shopify. This is essentially your control room where you can oversee all the operations of your e-commerce portal. From here, dig a little into the settings option. This part is crucial as it houses all the configurations and settings that make your Shopify store unique and tailored to your business needs. Now let's dive into adding new markets to your store, a feature Shopify introduced to help store owners expand their reach. Click on the markets option within settings. You'll see an interface that allows for the addition of new marketplaces, a fantastic feature for those looking to scale their operations globally. Here's the fun part, adding a new market. Click the Add Market button to proceed. For the purpose of this guide, let's say we are interested in adding Nigeria as a new market. Start typing Nigeria into the provided field. Shopify's intuitive search and filter tool will suggest the correct market based on what you type. It's important to be accurate here to ensure you're targeting the right demographic and market. Once you've located Nigeria in the drop-down, go ahead and click on it. You'll then need to finalize the process by selecting Add Market again. This action confirms your choice and officially adds Nigeria as one of your store's new markets. Throughout this process, there are a few key points to remember for a smooth experience. Firstly, ensure your internet connection is stable, as interruptions can reset progress and require you to start over. Secondly, keep any necessary information, like market details or account credentials, handy before beginning the process. Lastly, approach each step with patience. The user interface is designed to be straightforward, but rushing through the steps can lead to mistakes. This guide is aimed at empowering you, the Shopify store owner, with the knowledge to expand your store's reach through the addition of new markets, a critical step towards global expansion. By following these instructions, you'll not only enhance your store's visibility, but also open up avenues to cater to a broader audience. Thank you for following along. Remember, every big achievement starts with deciding to try. Today you've taken another step towards scaling your business on Shopify. Stay tuned for more insightful guides to help you navigate your e-commerce journey.